Good morning, NowOS community. It is Tuesday. It is, what the heck day is it? It's the 28th of July. Welcome. Good to have you guys here. I'm going to keep this short and sweet today, guys. I'm going to do a live and give you guys a major update that just happened in your members area. So give me just a second here. I'm going to refresh my screen. Here's the deal. We're always, as I've mentioned this so many times, guys, and today is a perfect example of this actually happening, is we're constantly making improvements and adjustments to the NowOS system, to the NowOS training, the capture pages, the sales funnels, the video sales letters, all those things. We're constantly making updates to make this the best system possible. And what happened was probably, I'd say about a month ago, I had a member reach out to me. So Brian, thank you for this. And they said, hey, what we should really have is what does your first 30 days in NowOS look like? And I was like, damn, that's a good idea. And to be honest with you, a lot of the ideas that we get here for the community and the system come from you guys. You guys have an idea for this or that or whatever it is, you give it to us, and then we turn around and we implement it, because if it's a really good idea and it's going to make the system better, we're going to run with it. So based on the feedback that we got from you guys, now live in your NowOS members area specifically is a brand new 30-day onboarding training that, again, is live right now. It just went live, and I'm going to walk you guys through it. I'm not going to go, super deep into it. You guys can go check it out for yourself. But again, live in your members area right now is your 30-day onboarding training. So obviously all the new members that are coming in will be able to go through this, and it's pretty straightforward. It's fairly self-explanatory, but it's also great to have some sort of onboarding system, especially for, if you think about this, like people that have never built a business online, people that have never had success online, never known exactly what to do step by step systematically. And that for me has always been what has helped my teams over the years. Is we've always had to, and this is what I love about what I get to do every single day for you guys, is for years, ever since, I don't even know, about 2021, so going back about 6 years, anytime I've ever been in another business, I've always had to build a system in front of that business. You guys might have heard of the funnel team, right? We've always had a system in front of other business models, in front of other network marketing companies, because the training has never been that good. The funnels have never been that good. The onboarding, all of those things were never really that great. So I've always had to build these training systems and these funnel systems that help people get started, systematically taking them through step by step exactly what they should do. So by the way, I see more people jumping on board right now. Do me a favor, guys. If you see the red live icon somewhere on your device, do me a favor and comment the word live. If not, you're probably watching the replay, maybe here in the Facebook group, maybe over on my YouTube channel. So comment the word live if you guys are live with me right now. Comment the word replay if you guys happen to be watching this after 10 a.m. on Tuesday morning, okay? But now that there's a lot more control that I have with the actual system and the company and the owners and everybody else, I don't have to, we don't have to put a system in front of a system, okay? There's no need to put a system in front of a system. We're building out everything we need inside of the existing system, which is great. It's awesome. And we just created a new feature today. So let me share this. Let me walk you guys through this here in just a second. Okay. So let's see. Let me share my screen and show you guys what just went live and give you guys the opportunity to go through it for yourself. Okay. Let me make sure I hit the right button here. Okay, so if you guys don't see this, if you guys are in your NowOS members here and you guys don't see this, you may have to log out and log back in, may be able to refresh your screen, but give that a whirl. Okay, try logging out and logging back in. And what you're looking for right here, you guys can see this tab. It says your first 30 days. This is brand new. This literally just went in here, I think this morning, maybe last night or this morning. So you tap on that, and of course we put it right at the top. We put it above setting up your social media growth system, okay? So again, once you open that up, that loads, and then you're gonna see a series of videos, and this is all designed to help you in your, wait for it, in your first 30 days. So I hope you guys are excited about this. Training, guys, is one of the key concepts to a lot of things. I mean, if you think about like at your job, at your current job, like when you started your job, did you just show up, clock in, and you know every single aspect of your job? Or did you actually have any sort of systematic training to go through to learn, you know, certain things? Okay, so training is the thing that helps build retention, guys. So first 30 days right here, very first video is about getting your system up and running. So obviously with Marco Max and your social media growth system, obviously that's the first thing that people are going to go do. So what's the first video do? It talks about getting that set up. And then we go through lots of other videos here. You can open each one of these up and it becomes its own video, right? So learn one tool. This guy's is really, really, really important, okay? And by the way, shout out to Dave. Dave is the master trainer for NowOS. He's the guy that records all the training videos inside of here. He's one of the other guys that helps make this opportunity run on the back end. He's the one that's taking the time out of his day to go record all this stuff and get it ready for you guys. But learn one tool, guys. This is making sure that you guys go out there, you take the action that you need to take, and you're not busy sitting there going through the all-in-one product suite and going through every single tab and trying to memorize and learn every single thing. It's about doing one thing at a time, okay? One thing at a time. And then obviously getting your auto reply set up with your social media growth system, very important step right there. Becoming visible, very, 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 very important training, guys. Becoming visible, helping you guys get seen more, okay? So making sure that your channel, your social channels that you're hooking up here and using are getting visible. People are actually, you know, getting views, all that stuff. Building authority. This is literally all about your brand, guys. All about your brand, okay? So make sure that, you know, when you guys have a chance, go through these videos, learn and apply. So building momentum, and then obviously completion. And the completion specifically is going to talk about, you know, if you go through and you do all this stuff that's in here, this is going to talk about what it actually looks like. So where you are basically 30 days from now. But 30 days from now is a key step. If you're actually doing the work, if you're actually going through and applying what you're learning. And this is just the tricky part about online marketing, guys. It really is. I'm just being honest with you guys here. There's so many, and I've seen this for years with different systems, and a lot of you guys have been in these systems where some people are really, really good at watching video after 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 video, and you spend all your time learning and training. But if you don't apply what you learn, where does it get you? Nowhere. Watching videos, guys, let me just keep it super real. Watching videos makes you $0. You make $0 by watching training videos. You need to apply what you learn. So if you're with me on that one and you're smelling what I'm stepping in and that makes a whole lot of sense, do me a favor and comment apply down below right now. Big, bold, all caps, apply. Whether you're watching live now or you watch the replay, be engaged, guys, as if you were watching live. So even if you watch the replay later, act as if you were live. So comment the word apply right now. That gets you taking action, okay? And if you can do that, if you can go and comment on a video, guess what? You can take action when you're watching these training steps, okay? So appreciate that. Heidi, thank you. Sherry, thank you. That's it, guys. I wanted to keep this short and sweet. There's a new 30-day onboarding training that is now live in your NowOS members area. So please go put it to good use. Get out there and actually go use it. Anna, thanks for the comment. Appreciate that. Appreciate all the other comments, guys. Thank you. I'm going to hang out here for a second, guys. If you have any questions for me, questions on this training, drop those questions in now. I know just like yesterday, this is another kind of impromptu spur of the moment training, but when I get updates, as soon as I get those updates, I want to get them out to you so you guys can take this knowledge, take these things and go apply it into your business. And why are we here? We're here to get results. Okay, that's what NowOS is delivering for you, is results. Okay, so take this information, please, and go do something with it. Please go do something with it, because I can guarantee you, Dave is a very meticulous trainer. He goes over a lot of information. All right. One of the training videos, guys, is literally 30 minutes long. So, you know, and please, again, don't try to watch, there's 7 training videos. Don't try to watch all 7 videos at once. Like, don't do that. Here's how you get the most out of not just this training, but any of the training that we have, is you watch a video and then you go apply. You watch a video, then you go apply. You watch a video, then you go apply. You watch a video, then you go apply. You don't watch video, then watch another video, then watch video after video after video after video after video. Like, you watch and apply. Okay. Yeah, I said it earlier, Heidi. If you you're probably going to have to log out and then log back in. And also, if you have the older members area that has the blog page at the top versus the social media growth system, they're in the process of moving the training to the top, but it may also be down tucked into your all-in product suite where your social media or Marco Max system is with the old system. With the new system, it's right at the top with the new members area. But I was just talking to the team, and they're going to move that to the top if you guys have the old system. But log out, log back in, and you'll be able to see. I just did that this morning because it wasn't there, and then I logged out, refreshed, and logged back in, and it was there. So it's definitely there, but it may be in a different spot depending on if you have the newer version or the older version, but it's still in there. Okay, so you can go check that out. Fazil, did I say that right? I remember hearing your name years ago, and I thought it was Fazil. I could be wrong. Let me know if I'm right there. I hope I'm right. But that's it, guys. I don't see any other questions or comments, so appreciate you guys. Thank you. Keep doing what you do. Get out there, go learn, go apply, and we now have a new 30-day onboarding training courtesy of you guys providing great feedback to us. So again, guys, this is a community of people helping people. I want you guys to understand that with the NowOS community, okay? It's a group of people helping people, and we're all here to help each other win. So when we have great ideas, I just had another person reach out to me this morning, Will, thank you. Will was using another system before he started using NowOS and said, hey, I was in this other system over here, and there's a lot of things in this system that I really like that NowOS doesn't have. And if you could maybe apply a few of these things into NowOS, NowOS is clearly the better system, but it would make NowOS even better. So again, I have a whole list of things that we might be implementing, again, to make NowOS even better based off of your feedback, guys. So keep that feedback coming in, guys. Don't be a stranger. And let's make this the most powerful system and community on the planet. That's it, man. Appreciate you. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. And we'll see you real soon. And of course, as always, we'll see you guys at the top of the leaderboard. Take care.